Hello traders, it's Yanis here from Nikos Trading Academy, and I would like to welcome you to another video for our live trading room weekly results. Today we will talk about DAX, Dow, oil, and a Forex pair. I chose indexes and oil because we don't talk too much about it, and we will start with DAX. DAX, indexes we know are volatile, and that doesn't mean we cannot apply standard or basic strategies, like in this big wedge coming from higher settings. As you can see here, I had a very nice bounce with a conservative setup. Price started to retrace at the beginning of the week, and of course with one classic pending order with an APO like 30-40 pips. You can see price went all the way up, reacted 100, almost 200 pips, more than 5 times our APO. When we have wedges and ranges, I'm sure you've heard me saying I prefer bounce trading. Profit zones in these cases are major support and resistance levels. The same happened on DAX. You can see again at the beginning of the week we had here already price bounced and started to retrace, found combined support area here again with some pending orders, or even if you want to, because price was a little bit of a range, of course you don't know that when you are about to enter, and you saw the reaction here with a higher low and a higher low. Even if you went with a classic approach, I mean the bounce and the small 1 to 3, your entry would be again like, how big is that, like 80 maybe pips, already 440. So again you can see more than 5 times our APO with a classic bounce approach. But of course the main thing here is, like I always like to say, the best strategy, and Nikos of course used to say this, that patience. When we have a strategy in mind, that means I am on a big wedge, sorry, price is going down, we have to wait for the proper time. We have to wait for the price to do what we want it to do. So again, here 5 times our APO, I don't think that's a bad trade. Same thing, oil. You can see again price after breaking our resistance area. Of course, some of you took the entry here. At the beginning of the week, we had another conservative bounce. The downside that this was a little bit lower, so if you saw that and said, okay, let's be a little bit more conservative, and price started moving up again, and you saw all the crossovers and the 1 to 3, of course you had here you had the room with an APO of like 45 pips, already 100 pips again. You can see more than 2 times our APO for oil. Let's check also one more Forex pair just for the diversity of it, and that is GBP CAD. After finally Brexit negotiations, etc., are over, and UK is officially out of European Union, you can see again at the beginning of the week on a major support area, price started to go back up again, higher lows again with a 1 to 3, price crashed again. You could have gone with a bounce here, and on higher settings that would be a bounce with a higher low, but also a very nice retracement. Again, at this point, if you entered with an APO of like, what's that, maybe 35-40 pips, because if we have spikes below a lot of below my 36 EMA, we go somewhere in between. You can see price reached already 100 and still going again, at least 2-3 times our APO. We have, of course, positions running. We don't have let me check here. We have some first positions met. We have also some retracements happening. Overall, we are in profit, but that is yet to be seen, since probably this week also, the upcoming week, will be a week of retracements. So in total, almost, well, actually it's more than 15 times our APO, 850, 900 pips in our piggy bag. Once more, thank you very much. Have a beautiful weekend. Stay safe and see you again on Monday morning with our top-down approach. Bye bye everybody, and thank you.